We offer after-hour emergency service. So our regular business hours are 8 to 5 Monday through Friday, like your typical business. We try to schedule our appointments and schedule things within those hours. But we understand that life happens and not everybody cooperates like that. So we do offer 24-hour emergency services. If you come home after work or it happens on a Saturday night, you can still give us a call. Our phones will roll to an automated system. It's going to ask you to press 0 for after-hour emergencies, and then it actually rings right to my cell phone. Your after hours runs about $100 more than what our regular rate is, and basically that goes straight to our technicians, right into their pockets for them taking that call and being called out of their homes. Usually we're there within an hour to two after hours.